Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can check the reels you've recently watched on Instagram. There's more than one way to do this, and I'll show you each method in detail, so let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. The first method to find a reel you've watched is to go directly to the Reels tab and start scrolling. If you've recently watched a reel, when you scroll again, you'll often see that reel appear at the top. In other words, if you watched a reel and then close the app, when you return to the Reels tab and scroll, you'll likely see it appear right away. This is a quick and simple method, but it might not always work if a lot of time has passed or you've watched many reels since then. The second method relies on any interaction you've had with the reel. If you liked, commented, or shared it with someone, it'll be easier to find. To do this, go to your profile, then tap the three lines at the top of the page. You'll see a menu with several options. If you saved the reel, simply go to the Saved section and you'll find it there. If you didn't save it but interacted with it, go to the Your Activity section. Here you'll find a list of the things you've engaged with. For example, the Likes list will show all the reels and photos you've liked, and the Comments list will show the comments you've made. Even if you left a note or added a sticker to the reel, you'll find all these actions recorded here. Also, if someone tagged you in the reel, you'll see it in the Tags section. But you should know there's no direct feature in Instagram that lets you view a complete history of the reels you've watched, because the app doesn't keep a full list of them if you were just scrolling without interacting. If you manage to see the reels you've watched using this method, give a like and subscribe to get all the latest updates. See you in the next video.